welcome back to my channel. So today I have another try on haul for you guys. This one's a long overdue try on haul. There's just been so much going on, as you've known. For those of you who don't know where I'm at, what I've been saying about our current events, make sure to hop on over to Instagram so you can hear all about it. And I have resources there for people who are interested to learn and unlearn and get involved with Black Lives Matter. It is important, guys. So if you haven't done that yet and you haven't heard about any of this, hop on over to Instagram. There's a load of resources for you there and on my page. And if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up and DM me because I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. But today I'm gonna dive into this try-on haul that I have been itching to share with you guys, and it's been here sitting in a box for like quite some time already. But with everything that's been going on, it's just everything I pushed back and delayed so many projects. But now I'm finally getting to this try-on haul and I'm excited to see what's in the box because I can't quite remember what I picked out. This is a gifted collaboration with Fashion Figure. They did send me all these things, but it is a $500 try-on haul, and so hopefully there's some pieces that you guys like and that you see that you like and you find cool. I will link everything down below. If you guys have any questions about any of this, don't be afraid to hit me up in the comment section and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible because I love just having dialogue with y'all. So, oh, and I almost forgot. I always start off the video by sharing some random fact about me. So a random fact about me is currently I am trying to pursue doing YouTube and Instagram, the whole vlog life full time for the first time ever. And I've been doing this like as a hobby thing for almost like 8 years now, I think. This is my first time trying to do it full time, so let's see what happens. A way that you can support my journey is by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. I am trying to get more videos out like this regularly. And yeah, and I'm doing some cool stuff over on Instagram, some really cool projects. So if you guys like creative, editorial fashion stuff and plus size fashion stuff, go check that out as well. All right, sorry to delay us. I won't delay us anymore. Let's just go ahead and dive into this try on haul. Okay, so I've got a big old box here full of stuff, and so I'm gonna dive into there. I don't know what I have, what I got. So we're gonna see. I don't remember. Ooh. Alright, so the first thing I got here are these sunglasses. I don't remember getting this, but they're super cute. Okay. The next thing I'm seeing here is a bracelet. Super pretty, but I think it's a little too big for me. But I love that there's like this, what do you call that fabric again? This material, like that straw-ish material. With a gold band, very cute. I think it's a little too big for me. I might have to just wear it like a little higher up, which I don't think will look too bad. Okay, so this next piece is looking like a really beautiful fabric and pattern. I think it's a dress. So let's go try this out. Okay, so here's the dress on. It is quite loca. It is super pretty. I remember seeing this on someone and I was like, oh my god, I need to grab this. And so when I got to work at Fashion Figure, I was like, I definitely have to add this to the cart. Such a beautiful dress, like, oh my gosh. This fabric, the pattern, super gorgeous, and it fits like a beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? The only thing I would say though is that the way that it's designed, it's meant to be like loose fitting like this, but it would be nice to like have something a little bit more tucked in or something like this so that I can get more shape to my body. But I mean, I guess they can always use pins, right, in case what kind of look I want to go with. But I think this is so beautiful. There's a slit right up front. The fabric is super light and comfy, just sort of falls on the body. I think it's perfect for the summer, perfect for like a beachy dinner vibe. I love it. Or like a fa-fa picnic, summer picnic, right? So beautiful. I love this. I think this is definitely something that I'm gonna keep. Comfy sleeves, comfy fit, move around in it. The only thing I would have to say though is with this dress, you're definitely gonna need a dummy cut. I had to tuck in my bra a little bit. You wanna be aware of this because it's pretty low cut and it's pretty snug around here, but everything else is pretty loose fitting and comfy. Let's move on to the next item. Here is the next dress. It is so pretty. I love this pattern. I also love the style and the cut of it. I love the sleeves. I love this cutout detail. I love that it's just like off the shoulders. I love off the shoulder stuff for summertime. The only thing is this is a size 2. Normally I get like size 2, 3 depending on the style of the dress. and I was hoping that this would fit me, and as you can see, it's like just sliding off my boobs right now. Yeah, it doesn't fit perfectly. I feel like it fits nicely around my waist. I do have a smaller like waist over here, and I do come out on the hips and my lower belly, so I need something that fits, you know, more flowy, more loose. So the bottom all here fits perfectly fine. It's the bust area that I'm having an issue with. I feel like the cup area wasn't made big enough for my body. And if I want to size up, I feel like the rest of this is gonna fit too loose. So maybe just wearing a different bra with this would help. Something that doesn't have padding so that there's more room to just fit in there. Because this bra that I am wearing, it does have a bit of padding. So maybe a different bra can help with the situation, but I really do love this dress. I think it's really pretty, but man, it's not working out right now. So maybe I'll get it to work trying a different bra next time. But before we move on to more clothing items, I actually noticed that I have more accessories in this box, so let's check those out. All right, so the other accessory I have in here is this cute little purse. It's like that workery material, all pink with gold detail. And it's really pretty because, you know, it's a gold chain, but they added the gold chain detail to the bag itself. So that's super cute. I think it's fun for the summer. And, ooh, okay, it's a zipper open little clutch. Perfect for holidays if we were going on vacation somewhere. But we are currently not, so we will play pretend, and I will hold this for another holiday event. Or vacation event, summer event. Hopefully when we finally make it to Hawaii. But super cute, I love this. Okay, and then I have another purse here as another accessory, and I thought this was super cute. Look at this. It's a pearl purse. It's just all pearl. Not real pearls, but isn't that cute? I love this little detail. Super flirty, feminine, cute little touch to your outfit. You can go with a lot of pieces too. You can dress it up or down. Love that. Okay, I guess I went crazy with accessories because I have another purse here. Yes, I remember this one. I remember picking this out, but like the tassel at the bottom makes me so happy. It's so beautiful. It's this beautiful knitted red. There is some stretch to it too with your wood handles. How cute and pretty is this? Yeah, I keep having to adjust this dress. I don't think if this would work out in real life. Unless I can like finagle it somehow. Again, I think I just need to try a different bra, but we'll see. The other accessory I have in here is a second pair of sunglasses. And they're another like big cat eye type of sunglasses. Perfect for the summer. Okay, so far that's 3 purses, 2 sunglasses, a bracelet, and 2 dresses. There's more. Okay, I think this is the last of accessories. It's a necklace. Very cute little necklace. What do we have here? They're kind of like seashells with some diamonds on them. Very summery vibe, very beachy vibe. Oh, do I have it backwards? Yes, I did. There you go. Take a look. That's super pretty. Like, look at that already. This outfit, this pattern of the dress and this necklace. It's so cute. Okay guys, I need to figure out how to get this dress to work so it doesn't slide off my boob. Okay, another item of clothing. It's all white. I don't remember what this was, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. I'm thinking it's another dress. Be right back. Okay, so here is the next dress. This one is a size 3, which is, the last one was a size 2. This one's a size 3. And if you notice, it's already a little bit loose here for me around the bust area. It fits good around the waist though, I would have to say. And I am obsessed with these sleeves. So I don't mind this little looseness. I can actually take it in a little bit or pin it up top. Cause I tend to be a little bit shorter, and I feel like most dresses are always made for someone a little bit taller than me because I am 5'4", which I think is not too like below average, right? Anyways, these sleeves are gorgeous. There's like this cute little button detail going down the dress, which I'll show you in a second when I back up. But overall, super beautiful. Love the fit. It's a more heavy fabric. I wouldn't say it's as breathable. It's kind of like a thick linen fabric. Kind of reminds me of like a tablecloth. But I love that feel, and I love I just love the look of the dress. I think it's super cute. It comes down to my toes. but it's not long enough where I'm like tripping over it. Like I can walk barefooted and feel comfortable. So I know that if I put some sandals with a little bit of a heel or a wedge, I'm gonna be fine. I hate it when I have dresses that are way too long and then like I'm tripping over them and I have to carry my dress the whole time, which is not fun. So this is a perfect length. Love how it fits around my waist. It's super cute. What do you guys think? Perfect for an all-white party. If there were parties right now, but they're none. So we'll look forward to the future. But these sleeves, I love these sleeves. Okay, so here is the next dress. This is a size 2, and again, a little too snug. So I wasn't even able to zip it up in the back. Also, I noticed that it was like getting like stuck on the seam part. You know, sometimes the zippers get stuck on the seam, so we didn't even bother pulling it too much, so we don't want to ruin it. But like, I mean, I feel like if it zipped up, this would be a super cute dress. The sleeves, again, are super dramatic. I guess I was like in a sleeve craze that day. Beautiful like pattern again. Fabric is a little bit thick for the summertime, but it's still fine. I just would probably get it, and the thing is, I'm afraid if I do get it in a size 3, I feel like it wouldn't fit as like nicely around my waist, because I feel like I'm like an in-between the 2 and the 3, right? Because I'm smaller up here, but then larger around my lower area, right here, my abdominal area. So I need like kind of like a size 2 up top and a size 3 midsection. Please make those for me. But I think this is such a cute dress. I don't know what I can do about this. Maybe I'll try to fit it later on and see if I can get the zipper up. Otherwise, this might have to be a giveaway because it's not fitting, but it's so cute. Like, I really love the attached sleeves. Very cute. So I have 4 more items left. 2 that I have on. The last 2 are actually a bikini set, so I'm gonna try on that afterwards. But this is my first time getting like a whole bodice. Like, it's like a whole bodysuit, snaps in between, and I just think it's really pretty. If you're looking for like super amazing support, this is not gonna be it, but it's super comfortable and I think it holds the girls pretty well. Sounds okay. If you're looking, alright, there's noise going on. I'm gonna have to continue anyways, but sorry for the noise. I live in New York City. But yeah, this, if you're looking for super support, this is not gonna be it, but it's super comfortable. It's not like the support like you find in a regular bra, but it holds the girls in place. It has a beautiful lace detailing. It snaps down below. And I also picked up these shorts as well. They are biker shorts with some lace detailing over here. Super comfortable, like cottony material. Both of these are super cute. I think throwing over a jacket. You can style these pieces so many different ways. They're just basic staples to just have, especially for the summertime, and layering in different ways to style your pieces. So I think these are great pieces to pick up. This is what the whole body looks like. I most likely would wear this with like a maxi dress and maybe like a little blazer, something cute if we're going to like some sort of beach resort out for dinner and I'm just being my husband or a fam or whatever. It's not something I would wear every day because it's my first piece like this, but I think it's really pretty. Okay, I think we're ready for the last set, which is a bathing suit. Okay guys, this bathing suit is super cute and I love it. I'm ready to go to the beach. I'm ready to go to a resort. I'm ready to be here in my dream vacation spot with this bathing suit. How cute. Love the detailing cutouts right here, right? Got that. We got this beautiful like just fabric falling here. We've got the crisscross. Such cute designs. Like, I usually get my bathing suits from Swimsuits for All or Fashion Figure. Like, I'm never disappointed, and yet again, I am not disappointed. This is such a cute bathing suit. Like, I am ready to like grab the sunglasses that I got as well, grab my little purse, and make my way to a beach town. What do you think, yes? Okay, that was a lot, and I am ready to head out because I've turned off my AC for this shoot so that the sound will be picked up, and I'm sweating and I want to go and get nice and cool and relax. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you like this, let me know. If there's a brand that you want me to do a try on haul for that I haven't done on the channel, comment down below as well and let me know. I want to be able to put out content that's helpful and useful to you guys. Love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time. Bye. Mwah.